Layers. They're not just for surviving the winter, they also make your watercolours look awesome. Hi, I'm Shelley. I'm an artist and illustrator living in Edinburgh, Scotland, and I work mainly with watercolours. I like to create otherworldly things with a touch of whimsy. One of the things that I particularly struggled with in the beginning was understanding how to give depth and form to my pieces, how to make things look 3D. In this class, I'm going to show you how to use the watercolour technique of layering to transform flat floral pieces into pieces of art that pop right out of the page. You're going to learn how to layer with watercolours, what that means for a start and how you do it, what makes things look like they have three-dimensional shape and how you can apply that in a painting. Selecting and breaking down a reference image, how to pick an image that will be satisfying for you to paint and how to simplify it. Creating a painting, taking it step by step to create your fabulous flowers. And we're going to look at working in ways you find satisfying. Make choices based on what you enjoy rather than focusing on a single right way to do something. You're the boss here. By the end of this class, you will have created 3 unique watercolour flowers that pop. This class is for everyone. So if you're new to watercolours, you can jump right in here. If you've been painting for a little while now but feel like your pieces are flat, this will guide you through a process for consistently creating depth. And if you're an experienced artist, this can give you a no pressure space to play and experiment with form. Are you ready? Get your art supplies and let's get started.